First, I want to thank the state. Ms. Winnie Mahajan called me one day on 14th of August 2018, and I said, what wrong have I done? But anyway, she called me, I met her, and एक हम land की बारे बात कर रहे थे. She had a paper pencil in her hand, and she made me write, what do you want? और साथ में sign कर दिया था. And she left the date blank. She's a sharp woman. She did not have a sign के नीचे date. Sign की value date के साथ ही होती है. So, to cut the story short, we were wanting a chunk of land, and ma'am, I think in January, the land packet was ready and the land was given to us. So thank you for everything. That is the base that started off, and it's really inspiring how you all work. I've been asked to share about my experiences, so I'm going to share in 3 stories. I started my work in 1990, son of a big family name. In 2000, I was called to the boardroom by my father, and we had to shut that business. So my father was a very tough man. I had not seen the color of his eyes, so what he said was to be done, and we shut it. We used to make Puch mopeds that time. Hero Puch moped hota tha pehle, 10-15 saal pehle. So we were focusing on, that cost cutting, market nahi hai, cost kato. But they were not relevant that time. Market had gone to this motorcycle and scooters and whatever. So I learned from that example a sense of purpose. Where is the goal? What are you there for? What do you stand for? That goal had moved. Lesson number 1. Uske baad I went to the factory. We had employees, we had debt, business nahi tha. So we sat with the people and he said, hey guys, we have a problem, what to do? So we put our heads together. Email us time start hogi thi, 2000 mein na, somewhat email accounts, and it was like growing that time. We sat in a room and we started to shoot emails to everybody. हर रोज मैं भी बैठता था वही कमरे में भी to shoot. जो भी address मिला, email ID मिली, shoot कर दिया. Then Bombardier Inc., they make corporate jets in Canada. उनका एक आया Joseph Furlinga. He came in the morning at 8 a.m. to the factory conference room, and he said, I need this gearbox. So we looked at each other. Gears so we don't know. पर moped के अंदर gear होते थे. So he thought we knew gears. So by 9 p.m. we had signed a contract. We'll do it. And we did it. And we did it very well. That's become a world leader. That gear company has become a world leader. The second lesson I learned is fear of failure. That is a big driver. We had that failure. What to do? The team will leave. Not one man left that time. After that, we tasted success. It was very good. International business, BMW, Audi, Aston Martin, everybody started to buy from us. So we got a little bit confidence in our guts don't lie. Then one day I got a phone that Delphi factory hai, वहाँ पे अहमदाबाद के पास में, they are selling the asset. So got a phone in the morning at 10, and 2 o'clock I was sitting there. तो उसने कहा, it was only assembly plant. So they wanted 1 crore rupees. I said, let's do it. तो रात को मैं बात करनी थी इंडिया रात को, और वहाँ पे सुबह था अमेरिका में. So I told him, you're going to pay your consultants, give me some discount. So 25 lakh de de aise discount. So why pay a consultant? I mean, I'll send you this money tomorrow. He was a sharp guy, kehta 50-50. So we did the deal at night. We started that 1 crore asset on August. In October, we valued that 1 crore asset for 50 crores and sold half to ZF. Today, that asset builds half of BMW car in India. Adi car BMW ke jo shell hai, that is built by them, lower chassis is built by us. Third I learnt is a laser sharp goal. If you have a goal, you will hit it. If you don't have a goal, then it's a problem. These 3 fundamentals have been driving my life. I'll run through a few slides to tell you what we have done now in the last few years. And it's a lot of Punjab entrepreneurship DNA that makes us drive this.